Listen, my young dragon friend, and I will tell a tale of days when Vikings feared the sound of monsters' distant wail. There was a time not long ago when wars we bravely fought against a foe we feared before a lesson we were taught. That night of fury one did dare to set aside his dread and place his hand upon a winged villain's gentle head. Now time has passed, and what was once our cursed enemy now carries us to battle against our threat across the sea. Yeah.